Good
Okay,
morning, ma'am.
good morning. Today's thought is be punctual, always be on time. One thing you can't recycle is the wasted time. You can't, if you have wasted the time, you can't get your time back. Okay, if your time homework time is 5 to 6, 5 to 6, then you can't get that time again. You have to waste your time. What you have wasted, you have to again you can't recycle it. Okay, now if you are sitting at
Yes,
7
ma'am.
to 8, so you have waste your time 5 to 6. So so be punctual. Okay, got it beta. Okay, now again today we are going to start with chapter number 15. Got it? Okay, so boys, we will be starting with 15th chapter revision again. Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
You all have to answer the questions, huh? Yesterday we have studied charges of the different stages of the rivers. Yes, upper course, lower course. In upper course, what we have learned, beta? Can anyone tell me? Upper course, the river will be starting with a lots of energy. Yes, and then it will cause soil erosion. Yes, in middle course, the river will be flowing slowly and it will be spreading area. Next, in middle course, formation of meanders. Meanders, how it will form? As it is coming from upper course, the sideways of the motion will be changing, yes, and it will be making horseshoe-like shape. Which shape it is making, beta? Horseshoe-like shape. And then these are called meanders. Got it, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what is meanders? You understood?
Yes,
Can anyone explain me better? Can anyone explain me better? I am waiting for you. Okay, what is formation of meanders? Again, I will explain you. Okay, beta? Formation of meanders means the rivers which are coming from the mountainous region will be its energy will be slow. Got it? And making which shape? Shape of horseshoe. Okay, these bands are called meanders. Got it, beta? Boys.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
anyone can tell me? Can anyone tell me, beta? Boys.
Well,
Okay, start. Who will tell?
yes, ma'am.
चलो तो बोलो बेटा. Nurani,
Ma'am,
Nurani,
क्या?
are you going? What are meanders? Okay, next is formation of lake. What is the next point in the middle course? Formation of lake. What is formation of lake? As now, due to the minerals, if minerals are there, okay, so lots of water will be there. So due to that, impact of flood will be increased. Yes, so they have make one channel, and that of cut-off loop is called lake. What it is called? Lake. Are you understanding what I am speaking, beta? Boys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
can tell me. Okay. Next is lower course. Now let's next course is lower course, which now it is coming when it is coming down. Okay, when the river flowing is coming to the downwards, this energy will be low. Okay, so due to this, the water will be gathering. I have given you yesterday example of water park. There you are having big slides. Yeah, are you are having you have gone to water park, beta? Boys.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so when you are coming from upside, you think that it is mountainous region. When you are starting your sliding, you think that it is your mountainous region, and then when you are coming down, the energy will be slow. Yes, directly
No,
you are
fast.
falling. No, it will not be fast. Try it now. When you go, no, that time you try it. Okay. So when you are then you are falling in the water, the energy level will be low. Yes, but water level will be increased. Yes. So due to low energy level, the sediments which are disturbed, that is sand and that all, you can see over there. Due to that, we have what we have made a shape of delta. What we have made delta. Yes. Are you listening, boys? Or I am
Yes, ma'am.
speaking only? Due to this delta, one river is meeting to other river is meeting to third, and due to this we are calling tributaries. Yes, and delta is forming which shape? It is forming triangular shape plane. Got it, beta? So clear three stages of
Yes,
rivers.
ma'am. Yes.
Three stages of river clear. Now, very important topic I am going to teach you. Mohammed Abbas, listen this topic. You were asking for that. Which topic I will be teaching? Tell me, chalo. Mohammed Abbas.
Ganga.
Yes. So every boys, very important topic. Very important topic. You will be listening, or beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. Should I start? Ganga river system. Your question was that, ma'am, in this we are having 20 to 22 points. How we can learn this question? Yes. Now, Ganga river system. Yes. First of all, what you will be remembering? You will be remembering. One second. Okay, beta. Should I start? Ganga River System. Ganga River. What you will be remembering? Kilometers. What you will be remembering? Kilometers. Yes. How many kilometers is the Ganga River? What is the length of Ganga River? Anyone can tell me?
What ma'am asks again?
Anyone ready?
2900.
Length of Ganga River System.
2500
2900.
2500 kilometers.
Confirm 2900 better. Yes,
No,
it is 2500 kilometer. It is 2500 kilometer. Got it?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now,
I see.
second thing you will be. From where it is originating? From where it is starting? It is starting from river Alaknanda and Bhagirathi. From
Bhagirathi,
where it is starting? River
Alaknanda and
Alaknanda and Bhagirathi. Speak with me. From where it is starting, beta?
from
Alaknanda
Bhagirathi,
and
Alaknanda,
And
Bhagirathi.
Bhagirathi. And from there where it is meeting to Gangotri areas in Himalayas. Where it is meeting? Gangotri
Gangotri
area in
area.
Himalayas. So first point what we have remembered? Length. What we are remembering? Length. Yes. What is
Length
the length?
2500
2500.
kilometers.
2500 kilometer. Then it is the largest river. Yes. Third
Yes,
thing,
ma'am.
from where it is originating, river Lalaknanda and
Alaknanda and
Alaknanda,
Bhagirathi.
Girathi.
and meeting Gangotri areas in
Gangotri,
Himalayas.
Ganga and
No,
Kosi, etc.
Yes, and then merging, and it is called Dev Prayag in Uttarakhand. After meeting this, all rivers are meeting. Okay, they are becoming one. Yes, so it is called Dev Prayag in Uttarakhand. What it is called?
Prayag in Uttarakhand.
This much clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Now after Alaknanda, okay, they are meeting Dev Prayag. Now this river where it is going? Now it is going to where it will be going? Mount plains near Haridwar. Where it will
Mountain
go? As
near
it,
Harid.
now now it is living mountainous region, and where it is moving? It is moving to plain region. Clear this much story, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
All the boys.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Mohammed Abbas.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear this much. This much you remembered.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sayyid Rehan, Hyder Ali Merchant, Ghazi Abbas Ors, Ali Raza Saujani, Hamza,
Yes, ma'am.
Saqib, Mohammad Saqib, Rehan Muni, Rehan Mandra Virani, Kizar. Clear beta this much?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now when we are moving to another place, okay? So we have to leave when we are going to someone's house. So we have to leave our house, then only we can move. So like that way. Now river
Yes.
Ganga is leaving mountainous region and moving to the plains near Haridwar. Where it is going? Plains near Haridwar.
Haridwar.
And
Haridwar.
yes, and then meeting in the north direction. It is meeting Gagra, Gandak, Koshi. Which three rivers it is meeting? Gagra,
Ganga,
Ganga,
Gandak.
Kosi.
Kosi.
Yes. Clear?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Now, now when it is meeting Yamuna river, yes, when it is meeting Yamuna river, the Ganga river is known as Yamunotri. What it is called?
Yamunotri.
Three. So how many points we have won? First the length. How much it is length? What is the length?
2500.
2500 kilometers. It is the largest river basin. Next, from where it is originating?
Bhag,
From where? It is starting from Alagnanda and Bhagirathi.
Bhagirathi and Alaknanda.
Yes, and when it is merging, it is known as Devprayag in Uttarakhand. Clear?
Devprayag in Uttarakhand. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now it is leaving mountainous region and moving to the plain. That is, what is the plain's name?
Hari,
Near the plains
Haridwar.
of Haridwar. Then it is meeting the three rivers, which is in the north side. That is Ghagra, Gandak, and Koshi. Clear? Now, when Ganga is meeting to the river Yamuna, it is known as Yamnotari. Okay, and it is merging in the which direction? Right side near Allahabad. Clear, beta, this month.
Yes,
Next, as due to this near Allahabad, there is too much of rainfall and river is flowing too much. That's why there will be the impact of flood. Yes, with the large volume of water. Okay. So due to this, there will be heavy loss of lives. Yes.
yes,
So now, so now, due to this, in the north side there will be flood too much. Yes. Next, now Ganga is meeting other two rivers, which is originating in Peninsular Plateau. Originating from Peninsular Plateau. What it is called? Chambal and Betwa. What it is called?
Chambal and Betwa.
Betwa. And then again it will meet
Beta.
Yamuna and Sun River. Okay, then it is
Yes,
meeting Yamuna and Sun River. Clear?
Yes,
So this much point clear easily. Have you learned? If you have
yes,
not
ma'am.
learned, again I will be explaining. 100% you have learned.
Okay, ma'am.
yes, ma'am. 100%.
Now this river is moving to the which side? That is Bangladesh. Okay, so when one branch of Ganga is meeting Bangladesh, it is called Padma. Okay, and when Padma is flowing through Bangladesh, where it is meeting Brahmaputra. Okay, now second branch, and this combined flow is known as Jamuna. Got it? Now third, when it is meeting, now Jamuna and Meghna both are flowing together. Yes, both are flowing together. That's why now when second branch is flowing in West Bengal, so it is known as Bhagirathi Hooghly. What it is called? Bhagirathi Hooghly. Are you listening, beta?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. And it finally is entering Bay of Bengal. And last point you have to remember is the Ganga and Brahmaputra, as they are most fertile, that's why it is called Sundarban. What it is called? Sundarban. Clear Ganga river system. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Clear?
yes,
Tell
ma'am.
me yes or no, otherwise I will explain
Yes,
again. Can you try and explain me? Can anyone tell one point? Chalo, who will tell me one point? From where it starts, how much length of the Ganga river? Length of Ganga.
2500 kilometer.
Okay, now Moinuddin, you don't speak, okay?
Length 2,500 kilometer long. It is the largest river in India.
From where it is originating?
Bhagirathi and Alaknanda.
It is originating from Alaknanda and Bhagirathi,
And meeting one river, and it is known as name is known as
Gangotri River.
Gangotri.
no.
He-
Gangotri.
Devprayag.
I Gangotri,
Devaprayag
yes,
in Uttarakhand.
yes. That place is called Dev Prayag in Uttarakhand. Clear?
Uttarakhand.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes,
Now, from where it is starting? It is starting from Alaknanda and Bhagirathi. Yes, clear this much.
Yes.
Now
Yes,
it
ma'am.
is
Yes,
leaving
ma'am.
mountainous region. And where
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
entering?
Bangladesh.
No. Which place it is
Haridwar.
entering?
Haridwar.
Plains near
Harid-
Haridwar.
Plains
Okay.
near Haridwar.
Now, which three small rivers it is meeting, which is coming from
Kos,
north direction?
Kosi,
Kosi, Gangad, and
Gandak.
Ghagara.
Gajra.
And where it is lying in? Nepal. Clear this much?
Nepal.
Yes,
Yes.
Now, now after that it is meeting which river and what it is known as in Himalayas?
क्या मैम?
Which river in Himalayas it is meeting? Right side
यमुना.
it is flowing Yamuna and it is known as
Yamunotri.
okay, good, good.
Yamun.
Next, and due to this there is high flow of water. So as it is, there is high flow of water. Yes, high flow of water.
Yes,
Which
ma'am.
disaster is happening?
Third.
Flood.
Flood. Okay. After that, it is flowing through which region? That is peninsular plateau.
Penis.
Which
Peninsula
rivers?
Plateau.
Which
Penis.
rivers
Satluj
it is
and
meant?
Bees.
Sorry?
Penis.
Satluj and Bees.
I'm not getting better.
Satluj and Bees.
No. I am asking of peninsular plateau, beta. Chambal and Betwa. Got it? And
Yes,
also meeting
ma'am.
Yamuna and also meeting Sun River. Yes?
Yes.
Now, which place it is going? One is Bangladesh and second
Bangladesh.
is Bangladesh when one branch is meeting to Bangladesh. What it is called?
Padma.
Padma. Good.
Padma.
And when it is meeting to Bay of Bengal, it is known as when it is meeting to West Bengal, it is known as beta. Can you tell me, boys?
No.
Bhagirathi, Bhagirathi Hooghly, yes. And as due to high
Yes.
fertile, the Ganga Brahmaputra is more high fertile. That's why it is known as Sundarban. Got it? Clear? Clear, boys? Ganga river system. Okay. So now you can write by yourself by making points.
Yes, ma'am.
All the boys.
Yes.
I'm asking only two have given answer. Others, others, beta. Muhammad Abbas, Sakib. Today, Sakib, why you are not answering, beta? Muhammad Sakib.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can write by yourself, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Muhammad Sakib, Hamza, Syed Rehan. Answer, beta, answer. Ma'am is asking you something. Okay. But clear, beta. Type in message. Clear, please. Now should I? Okay. Now should I start with other topic? Sindhu River. Now you want to Should I again explain Ganga River or I can move to the next?
Ma'am, next.
All the boys now, are you want to do revision again, beta?
No, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes. Now can you write the answers?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So yesterday I have taught you drainage system. Can anyone tell me what is drainage system?
Can I
What
tell,
is
ma'am?
yes?
Drainage system means the study of river pattern of a region is known as drainage system.
Okay. What is river basin?
A river basin is an area of land drained by a river and its tributaries.
Okay, it's one type of system. Yes. What is
Yes.
water divider?
When a mountain or upland separates the flow of water from one another, it is called water divide.
Okay. So I think so. You are speaking without seeing. Yes, Mohammed Abbas.
No, ma'am, with sea.
I want that without seeing. Yesterday I have experienced. So I want to see that how many boys are doing what I have explained how to write. Okay. Now tomorrow we will be running two. That is Sindhu River and which river? And which river? Tell me which are the three mountainous rivers? That also you can tell better. Which are the three mountainous? हाँ बेटा
Sindhu,
सिंधु गंगा एंड
Yam,
सिंधु गंगा एंड
mm,
नो वन
Yamuna,
सिंधु गंगा एंड
Yam,
लास्ट इज ब्रह्मपुत्र forgotten which three rivers are of
Ganga,
Sindhu and Brahmaputra we are
Brahmaputra,
okay good peninsular rivers peninsular rivers
Tapuna,
what beta
Tapi,
which Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. These are the Narmada. These are the what is
Peninsular
peninsular
river.
rivers. Okay. Now these topics we will revise tomorrow. Clear? Clear, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Now today's homework is to write what you will be writing. Ganga river
Gang.
system without saying one time. Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
All the boys.
Okay.
All the boys.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is today's homework? To write one time Ganga river system by
Gang.
yourself. Okay.